His Excellency the President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni has extended the deadline to 20th October 2023, and this is to allow him to read the reports which he has received since the last 30 or so days, so that he can internalize it and make a decision. In the meantime, in the weeks leading to 20th October, an interministerial team is working together and putting in place modalities and processes for implementation of the executive order. All stakeholders will be involved. During the initial extension, a lot of discussion, consultation was done to understand the implication of the execution of the executive order, and a clear consensus has been attained. And if you attended the meeting yesterday, I think all voices were saying we have to implement the executive order. So the implementation team is now working. I have a team here in the office working with me now, planning on the execution. That will involve the following activities in the meantime. First, registration and verification of all migrant cattle keepers in northern Uganda. And we shall look at their location, their families, the number of cattle. 2, movement plans for those to be evicted, including designating holding areas so as to curb disease outbreak. Then 3, legal implications on case-by-case basis. This could raise some legal court cases maybe, and we need to understand this implication. We therefore appeal for calm. No one should take the laws in their hands. The government, through its structures, is in charge of this implementation, and it will ensure that it is done in a sustainable, efficient, effective, peaceful, and harmonious way. And I would like to inform everyone that this exercise is codenamed Operation Harmony.